The compact and durable design make it a perfect kitchen aid when I'm trying out a new recipe. I simply pop it up on the work surface and follow along. I do use recipe cards, but I prefer to learn new recipes by watching YouTube videos. And the size of the Nokia T10 means that it's not in the way of the kitchen worktop and I can follow along with what's happening on screen. I have knocked it over a few times when I get carried away mixing or weighing ingredients, but the durable design means that it's built to last. I will confess I've also been known to video call my sister from the kitchen when a particularly impressive cake comes out of the oven. I don't share the disasters though. It's not just me that's using the T10 to learn new skills. The T10 is helping my niece with her schoolwork and with learning a new language. The Nokia T10 includes Google Kids Space, which provides a curated area that is safe for her to use. It contains teacher-approved apps and games, books handpicked by experts, and recommended videos of appropriately engaging content and creativity. Her school provided links to language training videos, and she wanders around talking with the Nokia T10 in French. It's actually helping me with my French language as well. According to research, 87% of students find learning using a tablet device easier than using a PC, and 72% believe their standard of their work actually improved. Her school reports say she's getting on really well, and the video learning is really helping. Here's an amazing fact for you. Did you know there are more learning-related videos on YouTube than books in the US Library of Congress?